Over the course of 2 weeks, we learned kind of the intro of journalism and took a deep dive in broadcast journalism. We learned about sports journalism. We were behind where like the camera was, and we got to interview the announcers and just learn about how they got to where they were today. I feel like helped me see that it takes a lot to be a journalist.
I was introduced to a lot of new concepts that I never really heard of, but actually became very interested in. Dr. Kieran, he did a great job on like incorporating like informative slides, but also giving us opportunities to really like try out what we learned. And we did this with various ways, like going over court cases and dissecting them and making stories about them, or going to an Angels game and literally just writing about all the events that happen and just making our own stories.
Coming from Alaska, that's where I'm from, I knew no one going into this program. I had no idea what to expect, no idea how the environment in the campus was going to be. But my biggest thing would be to put yourself out there. Even if you're scared, you can meet so many different people. My friends that I've met here, I will continue to talk to even after I leave.